This is TK here at the Shamma shop, and one thing that I do here a lot is I punch sandals out of this material, and oftentimes we get left with like leftover stuff that looks kind of like this, and then sometimes we see really cool stuff and we save it. And this is our little reindeer friend, Bob. This is Bob. Yeah, this is among the many things that we find here in the shop. Just amazing little creatures and aliens and weird looking humans and other stuff. Willie, what do we think of Bob, our little reindeer friend?
Reindeer friend? This guy. Oh, what do we think of him?
Yeah.
He needs a little face.
He does need a little face. Maybe we should give him a little face.
I don't know. I think you're cutting in on your imagination on the face.
Well, Josh, I don't think Shayla likes all this stuff on the ground.
Oh.
I think you can clean it up so she can better run with.
Get right on that.
There's his face. It's pretty great. I think that suits Bob really well.
I didn't see his face at first.
It's tiny. Anyway. Yeah, we'll have more creatures to show soon.